Brought to you by the Key Show. We hike high in the Uwharrie Mountains and conquer the infamous Uwharrie Trail. You filming?
Yeah. I was getting ready to say something and you started talking. But I always get like camera shy. I don't know what to say. Yeah, kinda. My bad. I got a picture of your butt. But no, where are we?
Uwharrie Trail System. High in the Uwharrie Mountains.
Oh.
You can't see it because we're in a valley, but the peaks are covered in snow.
Yeah. The peaks are covered in snow and we're walking in t-shirts. Well, I am, and he's wearing a semi-thermal long sleeve. But no, we're pretty much have already hiked about what, almost 6 miles now.
Yes, sir.
It's not the hardest trails, but gives us something to do besides sit at home. A bad day in the woods is better than a good day in the house. Right?
Yep.
But it's kind of our first trip up here, so we figured we'd start off kind of easy and get to know the terrain. But yeah, like this goofball up here said, we're in the Uwharrie National Forest on the Uwharrie Trail. It's not much of a elevation change, really. What, like 200 feet, something like that? Yeah. Elevation change. It's about a six mile hike one way. So we actually about at the end of this section of the trail. We might do some more, might not. It's just a little short day hike for today, and we're actually gonna go back to camp and our base camp and get ready for supper and stuff, and kind of fix a few things with our camp because we got up here late last night and it was about 10-mile-an-hour winds all night, so some of it didn't get put up to the best of the way that we wanted it. So get a fire going, cook us some hot dogs, some beef stew, that kind of stuff. But yeah, this is pretty much what we're looking at, or what we're hiking. It's not hard, the camera doesn't really show. We're on a fairly steep incline at the moment. Probably one of the steepest incline that we've actually had to climb so far. And it's right at the end too, so we got about about half a mile? Yeah. Till we get back to the beginning. But that's Dusty. And of course y'all know me, I'm Keith. Oh. And this is where we are. I would show y'all more of, like, see if you can, oh yeah, you can get a pretty good judgment of the angle. We just came from way down there. So, just in the woods, having fun. Big man's kind of tired. Probably gonna take a break so we can push for this last uphill part, and then make it back to the car, and then we might, depends on Dusty wants to film any afterwards, you know. We might do a review on some beef stew, Mountain House, something like that. But we'll let you know. Got anything to say?